Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the important PYQ question from the chapter solution. You know, solution also from physical chemistry portion. We can expect more question from this chapter, especially in integer type question. So let's look which all are the question already came in 2022-2024. Are you excited? Yeah, let's go and do it guys, come on. See, this is the first question. The molarity of an aqueous solution containing 5.85 gram of NaCl in 500 ml water. It's a simple, silly question they asked in 4th April, first shift 2024. So they are asking directly the molarity. What's the formula for molarity, dears? Molarity is equal to given mass of solute, that is WB, divided by molar mass of solute into 1000 divided by VML. Volume in milliliter. WB means given mass of solute, MB means molar mass of solute, VML means volume in milliliter. So here they are giving like that. NaCl is dissolved in aqueous solution you are taking. So NaCl in water. So the NaCl is the solute. So it's given mass. In the question itself they given 5.85 gram NaCl. 5.85 gram NaCl. What's the molar mass of NaCl? NaCl, not molar mass, okay, formula mass. We can tell formula mass, that will be better because the ionic compound, correct? Yeah. So its formula mass is how much? Na plus Na plus and Cl minus. So Na, it is actually 23 and chlorine it is 35.5, so that is 58.5. 58.5 into 1000 divided by volume in milliliter. What's the solution's volume? Solution's volume is 500 ml water, 500 ml. So we can cancel, which all are the things we can cancel, dears? This one I can cancel 2. This one I can cancel 0.1. 0.1 into 2, 0.2 molar. So our option is option C. Simple, correct? Yeah. We can go to the next question. See, what about the question here? The density of X molar solution of NaOH is 1.12 gram molar liter inverse, while in molality the concentration of solution is 3 molal. Okay, then X. So they are asking about the molarity, they given molality. There is in some basic concepts of chemistry also last in NCERT, last area, they are already given this kind of question. What? Molality relation. Only one formula we have to remember, that you have to keep it here. Okay, that you have to keep it here, dear. Okay, what's the formula? Molality is equal to 1000 times molarity divided by 1000 times density minus MMB. This is the formula we can use, dears. This is the formula we can use. Small m means molality. Okay, I will write here small m means molality of the solution. Okay, capital letter M means what? Molarity of the solution. Capital letter M means molarity of the solution. Okay, molarity of the solution. You got it? Yeah. And what about D? D means density. That also should be in gram per milliliter or gram per centimeter cube. Okay, don't forget. What about MB? Molar mass of solute. This much idea if you know means you can easily do it. Molality they given, dears. What's the molality value they given? Molality is equal to 3 they given. 1000 into molarity we don't know, that I am taking it is X, they given X. So 1000 X divided by 1000 into density. Density value they given how much? 1.12 minus molarity we have to find out X into molar mass of NaOH is 40. Molar mass of NaOH they given 40. Okay, 40. So I have to solve for X. That's it. While I am solving this one for X, what I will get? I will take another page here, you can see. So 3 into in downside while you are looking here, you can see 1000 into 1.12. Okay, 1.12. So I will write like that. See, I will write like this, dears. You can see 3 equal to okay, 1000 times X. Okay, 1.12 into 1000, 1120 minus, okay, 1120 minus, you can see 40x. 40x. Okay, 1120 into 40x. Now what should I do? I will take this one to here and I am going to solve for x. So if I am multiplying this one to here means 3 into 1120 minus 3 into 40x 120x equal to 1000x. Okay, ready. So this one is going to there. So this is 3 into 1120. That's equal to 1120. Okay, 120x. From that I will get x equal to what? 3 into 1120. That I can cancel. 3 I will get. So the answer is 3 molar is the answer. What's the answer, dears? 3 molar. Option D is the answer. Clear? Yeah. This is actually they asked in 6th April shift 2024. We can look about the next question. That question also see. That question 6th April 2nd shift also same kind of question they asked. This is the question. Molality they given. Molality they given. Molality we have to find out for 3 molar solution. Molarity they given 3 molar. In the previous question molality they given, they asked for molarity. Here molarity given, molality they are asking. Density they given. Density is equal to 1.25. Okay, 1.25 gram per milliliter is an NCERT question. Okay, it's an NCERT question, gram per milliliter. Then again, molar mass of NaCl is 58.5. If you know this much idea means we can easily find out molality is equal to, what's the formula I taught you? 1000 into molarity minus 1000 into density minus mmB. Okay, minus mmB. So molality value I can substitute. Molality value I have to find out. Okay, so molarity is equal to 1000 into molarity 3 molar they given, 3 divided by 1000 into density. Density value how much? 1.25 minus m. M value 3. 3 into 58.5. Okay, 3 into 58.5. 58.5. Once you are solving, you will get the answer 2.79 molal. Option A will be the answer. Okay, dears. This is an NCERT question. I hope you can solve it easily. Clear? So you have to remember that formula. Don't forget that formula. Molality is equal to 1000 times molarity divided by 1000 times density minus mm. That's enough. We can expect same kind of question in this 2025 also. If you are lucky, that kind of question is going to come. So let's see, guys. Okay, we can move to the next question. Question number 4. What about the question here? It's a direct theory related question, no calculation here. A solution of 2 miscible liquids, okay? 2 miscible liquids showing negative deviation. They are showing negative deviation. Negative deviation means the force of interaction between A and B. That means solvent and solute is more than that of solute to solute, than that of solvent. Okay? Then from the Raoult's law we'll have what we can tell. If it is negative deviation means what's the meaning? That force of interaction between AB, okay, AB is what? Is greater than FAA or FBB. That we know. So whenever that solvent to solute interaction is more means they won't go to gaseous state easily. So automatically their vapor pressure will decrease. So their boiling point will increase. So the idea is decreased vapor pressure, increased boiling point. Option C is the correct answer. Clear, dears? Yeah, that's it. Simple, okay. We can move to the 5th question. It's the easy, direct NCERT question. This also they asked in 2024, 31st January. Identify the mixture shows positive deviation solution from Raoult's law. Only the idea is 2 different types of mixture will always give what? 2 different types of solution will give what? Always give positive deviation. If there are any intermolecular hydrogen bonding is possible, they will give negative deviation. 2 similar types mixing, that will give ideal solution. So once we are looking here, CHCl3, CH3 twice CO, that is acetone, that will give what? Negative deviation because intermolecular hydrogen bonding, here intermolecular hydrogen bonding, here also possible. It's both are organic compound. Here one is organic, one is inorganic. So that's our answer. Whenever we are mixing, this is organic, this is inorganic, that the interaction between solute to solute, solvent to solvent is more than that of solute and solvent. So our answer is D. Clear? Yeah. We can move to the next question. Question number 6. Once we come to the question number 6, this is in 2020. Okay. So here they given Henry's law constants. Henry's constant in kilobar they given. What they given? Kilobar they given. Now they are asking, alpha, beta, gamma they given. Then they are asking about, they are 298 Kelvin they given. Then they are asking about what? Then KH value they given. Then they are asking about some statement they given. Which one is correct? That's the question. Alpha has the highest solubility in water at a given pressure. So whenever they are giving KH value, you learned one statement. One statement you learned, if KH value increases, solubility decreases. If KH value increases, solubility decreases. That's the first idea you have to remember. KH value increases, solubility decreases. That fact you already learned. So here, alpha has the highest solubility in water at a given pressure. We can look about what? Alpha. We can look about what? Alpha. Alpha have high KH value. So its solubility will be very less. So what they are telling? Alpha has the highest solubility. Wrong. That statement is wrong. What about the second statement? Solubility of gamma. They are talking about gamma alone. Okay, gamma alone at 308 Kelvin is lower than that at 298 Kelvin. Yeah. So solubility of gamma at 308 Kelvin is lower that at 298 Kelvin. Yes, exactly. This KH value actually depends on what temperature, and whenever temperature increases, solubility decreases. So here you can see this is 308 Kelvin. Okay, this is 298 Kelvin. So whenever temperature is increasing, solubility decreasing. For a gas, it is decreasing. That gas will try to escape from the solution. Okay, so the idea is what? That statement is correct. Then what about the third statement? The pressure of 55.5 mol solution of gamma is 1 bar. Is it so? We can look about the pressure. What's the formula for pressure? Pressure is equal to KH into chi B, that gas. What about chi B? So to find out chi B, they given what? They given 55.5 mol solution. What do you mean by 55.5 mol? 55.55 mol means 55.55 mole solute. Okay, solute in 1000 gram water. 1000 gram water. And from there, one more idea you have to remember. 1000 gram water means 1000 divided by 18. That also 55.55 mole water. Okay, that also 55.55. So solute 55.55, solvent also 55.55. So what's the mole fraction? Mole fraction is 1 by 2. Both are equal means mole fraction is 1 by 2. So KH into 1 by 2 will come. What about the question here? They are asking about the gamma. Gamma value 2 into 10 raised to minus 5. Its KH value is 2 into 10 raised to minus 5. So that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, into 1 by 2. Okay, that is equal to 2 will get cancelled. Then 10 raised to minus 5 will come. This many kilobar, because KH value they given in kilobar they given, so that kilo we have to change it. So that is into 10 raised to 3 will come. So that means 10 raised to minus 2 bar will come. That's the answer for pressure. But what they are telling? 1 bar. So that statement is wrong. What about the last statement? The pressure of 55.55 mol solution of delta is 250 bar. Let's look about delta. What about delta? Delta also we can find out same way. P equal to KH into chi. That also 55.55. That means that also mole fraction is what? 1 by 2. What about KH value for delta? Delta is 0.5. So I will write 0.5. That is kilobar. So I will multiply with 10 raised to 3. So that is 1 by 4 into 10 raised to 3. That means 250 bar. So this statement also correct. So how many options are correct for that? B as well as D. 2 options are correct. Okay. So that they given in NTA in previous year. So that is B and D. Both are correct. Okay. Ready. So that comes means you will get bonus point. Okay. Don't worry about it. Okay. So next we can go to the next question. Question number 7 years. What about the question here? So whenever you are looking about the question here, you can see that they will give big sentences. But the question will be very simple questions. Yes. Once you know the concepts, easily you can answer it. That kind of question only they usually used to give. So with the patience, you have to read the question properly, then you can answer it. Believe me, trust me. Okay? Yeah. See, let's look about the question. 0.05 molar copper sulfate when treated with 0.01 molar K2Cr2O7 gives green color solution. Whenever you are mixing that one, that will give a green color solution. Okay, no problem. The two solutions are separated as shown below. So whenever they are telling about that one means how many students will get deviated. Green color we are getting. So we will look about the options where green color is. No need to think about that. They already given one more diagram here. What's the diagram they given? They given, see here K2Cr2O7 you are taking, okay. Here semi-permeable membrane is there. Here you are taking K2Cr2O7 solution and here you are taking copper sulfate solution. Once they mix means green color will get, okay, fine. But here this K2Cr2O7, its concentration they given, K2Cr2O7 concentration is 0.01. This side is 0.01 molar, this side is 0.05 molar. 0.05 molar. Okay, that's okay. That is semi-permeable membrane. This K2Cr2O7 and copper sulfate is mixing, we will get green color. Okay. Now let's look about the option. Green color formation observed on side Y. Green color formed observed on side X. When and only when green color will form, that K2Cr2O7 and copper sulfate should mix. But whenever you are separating with a semi-permeable membrane, through semi-permeable membrane only solvent can flow. Only solvent can move towards that, move through that semi-permeable membrane. Solute cannot move. Understood? Yeah. So the thing is that green color option is wrong actually, because K2Cr2O7 cannot move towards there. CuSO4 cannot move towards here. Why? Because solute cannot pass through semi-permeable membrane. That's the first idea how to keep it in mind. Through semi-permeable membrane, solute cannot flow. Only which one can only can go. Only solvent can flow through the semi-permeable membrane. Clear? Yeah. So now again, let's look about further option. Once we are looking, we can see 0.01 molar. 0.01 molar means here concentration less. Concentration is less. Concentration is less means more diluted. More diluted means water content more here. Water content more. More diluted means water content is more here in K2Cr2O7 side. What about here? Here concentration is more. Compared to this one, concentration more. Concentration more means water content less. Water content is the solvent. Water content less. Solvent always flow from high solvent region to low solvent region. So water content is more here. So water will flow from this side to K2Cr2O7 to copper sulfate. Automatically what will happen? Whenever water is moving towards there means its concentration decreases. That only going to happen. So what's our option? What's our option? Molarity of copper sulfate solution is lowered. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, don't be confused with that green color. Solute cannot flow. Set it? Yeah. We can move to the next question, dears. Question number 8. It's a direct simple question. 2024 January first shift they asked. Okay. See here, what happens to freezing point of benzene? Benzene is a solvent. To that, whenever you are adding what? Naphthalene. Naphthalene is a non-volatile solute. You are adding means what will happen? What will happen to its freezing point? Freezing point decreases. Depression in freezing point, colligative property. That's it. Option C is the correct answer. Clear? Next one, question number 9. This also related to this in 2023. So you have to expect this year also that osmosis, reverse osmosis, that area one question you have to expect. 2024 they asked, 2023 they asked. Okay. So once we are looking here, osmosis. Osmosis means what? Movement of solvent molecule from solvent side to solution side. So A we can connect with 3. Solvent molecule pass through semi-permeable membrane towards solution side. Okay, that we can write. A connected with 3. 2 options are there. Next we can look about this electrophoresis. Electrophoresis means movement of colloidal particles towards the charge applied towards electricity. According to their charge, that is actually D, that is connected with what? 2. That is actually connected with the surface chemistry area. Okay, electrophoresis means movement of charged colloidal particle under the influence of applied electricity. All colloidal particles have some different charge, like hemoglobin have positive charge. Okay, like that. That whenever you are keeping that one in a particular U-like tube, that will move towards, if it is positive charge means it will move towards negative charge. If it is negative charge means it will move towards positive charge. That is what is called electrophoresis. D will be connected with the 2. D will be connected with the 2. Simple. Finish. Over. Reverse osmosis means what? We will apply high pressure at we will apply a pressure more than osmotic pressure at what? Solution side. That time reverse of osmosis will take place. So that is reverse osmosis. So B we can connect with 1. Solvent molecule pass through semi-permeable membrane towards solvent side. Just reverse. Okay. So that is option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Clear? Ready? We can move to the next question. Question number 10. It's also 2024 question. You can look about the question. We have 3 aqueous solution NaCl labeled as ABC. We are having NaCl solution. Okay, ABC. NaCl solution, ABC I am having. Okay, its concentration they given. This is 0.1 molar. This one 0.01 molar. This one 0.001 molar. Then they are asking what's the value of Van Hoff factor. Only one thing you have to remember, Van Hoff factor introduced it only to find out the degree of dissociation or degree of association. Here the thing is that NaCl, once we are looking, NaCl is a one solute, okay, one kind of particle. That Van Hoff factor does not depends on what? The concentration, it depends only on the nature of solute particle. Which solute you are taking, that accordingly only that I value will change. So that means its Ia equal to Ib equal to Ic will come. So option A will come. Clear, dears? So dears, this is the next question. The solution from the following with the highest depression in freezing point, okay, with the highest depression in freezing point or lowest freezing point is. So they given 4 solutions they given. Then they are asking about the depression which is having highest freezing point. Lowest freezing point means highest depression in freezing point. So we know the idea, delta TF equal to I into KF into WB by MB into 1000 divided by WA. So here this freezing point, the delta TF directly, change in depression in freezing point directly proportional to what? This I into WB by MB. Like that we can take. I into WB by MB. Like that we can take. Okay. Here they are telling about 180 gram of acetic acid dissolved in benzene. In benzene, acetic acid is dissolving. That time I value is less than 1 because dimerization will take place. And in the case of 180 gram of benzoic acid is dissolved in benzene, that also dimerization. I value is less than 1. Okay. And here 180 gram glucose dissolved in water, I value equal to 1. I equal to 1. And 180 gram of acetic acid dissolved in water, that time I value is greater than 1. So they will dissociate in water. That idea you know. So now I value is more for this one. Okay. And also one more thing, WB by MB. Here WB is same. WB is same. So WB no need to consider, only MB. So whenever MB increases, delta TF value decreases. Here they are telling about acetic acid, here they are telling about benzoic acid, here glucose, here acetic acid. Out of that, the smallest molar mass is for what? Acetic acid, only 60. So smaller molar mass means higher delta TF. So our answer is what? D. Only comparison question. I hope you can do it. Yeah. We can go to the next question, dears. 12th one. Here onwards, we are going to do the integer type question from this chapter. They already asked in the previous year. Ready? Are you ready? Yeah. So see, here a solution is prepared by adding 1 mole ethyl alcohol in 9 mole water. Okay. 1 mole ethyl alcohol. 1 mole ethyl alcohol. 1 mole ethyl alcohol. Okay. 1 mole ethyl alcohol means 1 mole ethyl alcohol means what's the mass? So what's the mass? 1 mole means it's molar mass. Molar mass is 46. Okay. And 9 mole water. 9 mole water. See, 9 mole water. 9 mole water means what's the mass? 1 mole water 18. So 9 mole water 9 into 18. 9 into 18 is 162 gram. 162 gram. Am I correct? Yeah. So next again, see, what we have to find out? The solution prepared by their mass percentage we have to find out. Mass percentage of solute is equal to, mass percentage of solute is equal to, see, mass percentage of solute is equal to mass of solute. What's the mass of solute? Here solute is what? Ethyl alcohol. Its mass is how much? 46. Divided by total mass of solution. 46 plus 162 into 100. So 46 divided by 162. 46 plus 162. See, 162 you are adding, that will be equal to 8, then 0, then 2. So 208. So 46 divided by 208 into 100. If you solve means you will get the answer 22.11. You will get how much you will get? 22.11. So that is nearest integer is how much? 22. 22 is the correct answer for what? Option 12. Clear, dears? Yeah, fine. Next question number 13. Question number 13. Okay. So here the question is, molality of an aqueous solution of urea is 4.44 molal they given. Then they are asking about the mole fraction of urea in solution. Mole fraction of urea, how I can find out? Mole fraction of urea equal to How I can find out? Number of moles of urea divided by number of moles of urea plus number of moles of what? Number of moles of aqueous solution. That means water. So first of all, we need number of moles of urea. For that, what they given, dears? They given the molality of the solution 4.44 molal. 4.44 molal means what? 4.44 mole. 4.44 mole urea in 1000 gram water. What do you mean by 1000 gram water? 1000 gram water means how many moles? 1000 gram water means how many moles? 1000 by 18, that is 55.55 mole water. Okay, 55 mole water. Now I can substitute the value. That's equal to number of moles of urea equal to 4.44 divided by number of moles of urea again 4.44. Okay, 4.44 plus number of moles of water how much? 55.55. 55.55. So that is equal to 4.44 divided by 60. 4.44 divided by 60. They are asking into 10 raised to minus 3. So that's equal to, I can write like what? 444 divided by 60 into 10 raised to, this 0 also I can take to top. So that will be 446 into 10 raised to minus 3 will come. What about 444 by 6? Once you are dividing 444 divided by 6, what's the answer? 7 6 are 42. Then again 2 4. That means 4 6 are what? 4 6 are 24 0. So that means 74 is the answer. 74 into 10 raised to minus 3. So our answer is, our option is what? 74 is our integer. 74 is our integer. Clear, dears? Okay. Set. We can go to the next question. Question number 14. So once we are reading this question, we can understand 2.5 gram of non-volatile, non-electrolyte is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 25 degrees Celsius. The solution is showered a boiling point elevation 2 degrees Celsius. Okay. Assuming the solute concentration is negligible with respect to the solvent concentration, the vapor pressure of the resulting aqueous solution is. So we have to find out the vapor pressure of the resulting aqueous solution. So which formula we can use, dears? We can use the formula P0A minus PA divided by P0A. That's equal to chi B. Okay, that's equal to chi B, because here they are telling non-volatile means I no need. We can write that's equal to WB by MB into 1000 into MA divided by, see, that's equal to into MA divided by WA. That formula we know, relative lowering of vapor pressure formula we know, dears. So here P0 A, that is they given 760 minus PA, that we have to find out what's the vapor pressure while you are adding that non-volatile solute, divide by 760 equal to WB, given mass of solute they given 2.5 gram, 2.5 divided by MB we don't know. Okay, into MA molar mass of solvent you are taking, it is water, divided by water given mass is 100 gram water, you know, that is 100 gram. So first of all we have to find out what? This MB I have to find out, then only I can find out PA. To find out MB, they given the idea about delta TB. Delta TB equal to, we know the formula, KB into WB by MB into 1000 divided by WA. So delta TB value they given. The same solution, if you are taking, if you are calculating the elevation in boiling point, you are getting 2 degrees Celsius elevation in boiling point is they are showing. So that is equal to how much I can write? This is equal to 2. KB value how much they given? KB of water they given. KB of water is equal to 0.52. Okay, 0.52, that value we can write here, 0.52, and WB, given mass of solute already we noted, what is the value? 2.5 is there, and MB we can find out from here, into 1000 divided by weight of solvent. That is how much? Weight of solvent is how much? That is 100. That is 100. Okay, that's 100. Clear? So from here I can find out MB, I can find out from here. See, from here I can find out MB. MB equal to how much I will get DS. So you can see here, this is equal to, I can write like what? I can write like this MB is equal to 0.52 into 2.5. This will get cancelled, into 10 will be there, divided by 2 will be there, divided by 2 will be there. That I will take to here. that I will take to here. So you can see 760 minus PA divided by 760 equal to 2.5 divided by MB value is 0.52 into 2.5 into 10 divided by 2 will go to top 2 into 18 divided by 100 will come. Divide by 100 will come. Okay, correct. So once we are solving this one, you can see that what you can solve. 2.5 you can solve. 2.5 you can solve. Then this 760 will go to top. Then you can find out PA. This PA equal to, you will get how much? 707 you will get. How much you will get, dears? 707 you will get. That's the integer type answer. So you can easily solve it. So our answer is what? 707. 707. Clear, dears? Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Yeah. So next question number 15th one. What about question number 15th one? Here you can see you are having same. See, this is also 2024 question. Same, from the same area, colligative property they are asking. 2.7 kilogram each of water and acetic acid you are mixing. Both are same kilogram you are mixing. Okay. The freezing point of the solution will be. So here 2.5 kilogram water means how many moles? 2.5 divided by 18. 2.5 by 18 into 10 raised to 3. This is 2.5 divided by 60 into 10 raised to 3. So the number of moles is more for water. So water is the solvent. Acetic acid is the solute. That idea you have to keep it in mind. Then they are asking what is the freezing point? So first of all, to find out freezing point, what we required? We need delta TF. We need delta TF. What's the formula for delta TF? Delta TF equal to I into KF into WB by MB into 1000 divided by WA. This delta TF I have to calculate. Okay, delta TF equal to. What about the I value? They are telling like that. See, they are telling like that acetic acid does not dimerize in water, not dissociate in water. So that means they are not dimerizing. So I value is 1 into KF value. So about water, in water is the solvent. So water's KF value we required, that is 1.86. 1.86 to deviate you, to make you, to false guide you, to guide you in false way, they will give you a lot of another information. So whatever the information we require, that alone we have to fetch it from the question. Okay? Yeah. So that is 1.86 into WB. What about WB? Both are 2.7 kilogram. So 2.7 kilogram. That means into 10 raised to 3. Molar mass of solute acetic acid is 60 into 1000 divided by water also how much given? 2.7 into 10 raised to 3. So I can cancel this one I can cancel, dears. So what is the delta TF value? Once you are doing 1.86 here once you are cancelling that one, that's equal to this 0 I can cancel. So that's equal to 186 by 6 will come. That is equal to 31. So 31 is the difference, meaning TF equal to what? Minus 31 degrees Celsius, because freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So the difference is 31, means from 0 we have to subtract. So that is why 31. 31 is our answer. Our answer is, they are telling like that minus x. So x is equal to how much? 31 is our answer. Clear, dear? Okay. Yeah. We can move to the next question. Question number 16. Question number 16. This is the question number 16. What about question number 16? Molarity of an aqueous solution containing x gram of anhydrous copper sulfate in 500 ml solution at 32 degrees Celsius is 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. They are asking the molality. Again, 2024 question. Numerical also the same kind of question is coming. The density, molality relation. What's the idea I told you? Molality is equal to 1000 times. 1000 times molarity divided by 1000 times density minus MMB. This is the formula. Okay, 1000 times M divided by 1000 times density into minus MMB. So 1000 times molarity of aqueous solution they given 1000 times. Molarity is 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 is nothing, 0.2. Okay, 0.2. 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 is nothing. That is 0.2 ds, 0.2. Okay, 0.2 divided by 1000 into density. What's the density? Density value they given 1.25. 1.25 minus M. M value, molarity again 0.2. 0.2 into what's the molar mass of copper sulfate? There you need some idea. They didn't given the molar atomic mass of copper, but you have to remember that is 63.5. Copper is 63.5 and zinc is 65.3. That you have to remember some elements. Atomic mass means it's easy. Okay, or else you have to go through in different way. If you remember, this one means easy. SO4 means 96. SO4 means H2SO4 is 98. So SO4 is 96. So 0.5. This is 9. This is 96. 159. Okay. So that is 159.5. So once you are solving this one, molality, you will get the answer. That's in into 10 raised to minus 3 is coming. Okay. Into 10 raised to minus 3 is coming. So this will be equal to, you will get 164 into 10 raised to minus 3. You will get what's the answer? 164 into 10 raised to minus 3 you will get. So our answer is, our integer answer is how much? 164 is our molality value. So our answer is 16. Answer is 164. Okay, dears? Clear? Okay. We can move to the next question. Question number 17. What about the question number 17? See, question number 17. When x into 10 raised to minus 2 milliliter methanol, okay, it's molar mass they given, density they given, then they are asking is added to 100 ml of water. 100 ml water, its density 1 means 100 gram itself. Its density is 1 means milliliter is equal to volume is equal to mass. Okay, water. Okay, the following diagram obtained. Okay, then they are asking about x. What is the volume of that methanol? They are asking what's the volume of methanol. So from this graph, you can see this actually freezing point graph. So this is actually freezing point of water, 273.150 degrees Celsius. Whenever you are adding methanol into that one, that will freeze at 270.65. So the difference here it is 2.5. Okay, 273.15 minus 270.65. The difference is 2.5 will get. How much will get? 2.5. Okay, ready? So now that is actually, that difference is what is called what? Delta TF value. So delta TF value is equal to how much? 2.5. Clear? Yeah. So from that we have to find out what? This one. So whenever we know delta TF means, we are having the equation delta TF equal to Kf into Wb divided by molar mass into 1000 divided by Wa. This formula we are having. Correct, dears? Yeah. Wb by Mb into 1000 divided by Wa. One formula we are having. We can substitute the value. Delta TF value 2.5 equal to Kf value how much? In water they are telling. So Kf value they given. What is the Kf value? 1.86. 1.86 Wb I have to find out. Okay, divided by Mb, molar mass of methanol. See, molar mass of methanol. About molar mass of methanol they given the value 32. That also they given into 1000 divided by given mass of solvent 100 ml means 100 gram water. Okay, so that 0 I can cancel, 0 I can cancel. From that I can find out Wb. Wb equal to what's the value I am getting? See, 32 into, see, you can see 32 into 2.5 divided by 1.86 into 10. Into 10 will be there. Okay, into 10 will be there. Clear, dears? So 32 into 2.5 divided by 1.86 into 10 will come. What is given mass? So we know the idea. Density is equal to mass by volume. You are having the formula density is equal to what? Mass by volume. One formula you are having. So mass is equal to what? Mass is equal to density into volume. Mass is equal to what? Density into volume. One formula is there. Mass is equal to density into volume. So instead of this one, I can write here what? Density into volume. Density into volume. Okay, density into volume I can write. That's equal to 32 into, this one I can cancel. 2.5 and 10 I can cancel. This is 4. 32 and 4 I can cancel. 8. Okay, 8. So that is actually equal to 8 divided by 1.86. Now, what's the volume? Volume is equal to, I can write it is like what? See, you can see volume equal to 8 divided by 1.86 into 1 by density will come. 1 by density will come. Okay, 8 divided by 1.86 divided by density will come. What's the density of methanol they given? Density of methanol they already given in the question 0.792. So 0.792. So that's equal to 8 divided by 1.86 into 1 by 0.792. That is the volume. So from there From there, we can write what? That milliliter of methanol, that volume we will get. So that answer will be, once we are solving this one, 8 divided by 1.86 divided by 0.792. That one, if you are solving this, actually the question number, this question number 17, once we are solving, so we will get the answer. See, once we are solving this one, we will get the answer 543 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so 543 into 10 to the power, what's the value they given? So x 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, 543 into 10 to the power minus 2 you will get. So your answer is what? 543. Your integer answer is how much? 543. Clear, dears? Okay. We can move to the next question. This is the next question, dears. Question number 18. An artificial cell is made by encapsulating 0.2 molar glucose solution. So see, you are having an artificial cell. Okay. Inside that, glucose solution you are taking. Its concentration is 0.2 molar. 0.2 molar. Then what about its osmotic pressure? I will take it is pi 1. Pi 1 equal to what's the value? 0.2 RT. Okay, because I value of glucose is 1, so 0.2 RT. Just outside this one, I am keeping what? This entire thing I am going to keep outside what? You can see with 0.05 molar, 0.05 molar NaCl solution. To there you are going to keep the entire cell. So 0.05 molar NaCl solution means what's the osmotic pressure of that one? That is osmotic pressure of that one is pi 2 I am taking. This NaCl is completely dissociating, so I equal to 2. So 2 into ICRT. 2 into 0.05 into RT, that is 0.1 RT. So inside pressure is 0.2 RT, outside pressure is 0.1 RT. So what is the difference? That is what is osmotic pressure developed. So osmotic pressure developed is equal to that difference, modulus difference, okay, 0.2 RT minus 0.1 RT, that difference only. Higher minus lower. So that's equal to 0.1 RT. So that's equal to 0.1 into 0.0831 into temperature is how much? Temperature is 300. So once you are multiplying, see, 831 into 3, 133, 3 8s are 24. So 2493. So that is 4 numbers. Then again 2 numbers. So 24.1 into 24.9, that means 25 into 10 raised to minus 1. Nearest integer is 25 is the answer for 18. Clear, dears? Okay. So you see, nothing new. This also 2024, nothing new. Direct formula substitution, only we have to calculate. That's it. We have to patiently, solve and calculate. Clear? We can go to the next question. Question number 19. What about question number 19? Here they given mass of ethylene glycol to be added to 18.6 kilogram of water. This is also 2024. Okay, 2024 water to protect the freezing point at minus 24 degrees Celsius. So related to freezing point, we can write delta TF equal to KF into WB by MB into 1000 divided by WA. So they are telling we have to keep that freezing point at 24 degrees Celsius. It's an antifreeze. Minus 24 degrees Celsius. So delta TF equal to 24. Okay, KF value they given for water 1.86. Into WB we have to find out. How much amount we have to find out? WB. Molar mass of ethylene glycol they given, that is 62. Into 1000 divided by WA. Given mass of solvent. So that's added to 18.6 kilogram water. So 18.6 into 10 raised to 3. I can cancel this one I can cancel, dears. From there I will get WB. This 1.86 and 18.6, that will be 10. So WB equal to 24 into 62 into 10. So while I am multiplying 24 into 62, you can see 2, 4, 8, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 24, 2, 2, 6 are 12, 12 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14. So that is 8, 8, 4, 1. Okay, so 14880. This much gram. So they are asking about kilogram. Kilogram means 14.88 kilogram. So that's approximately equal to 15 kilogram. So our 19 answer is what? 15. Clear? So we can move to the next question, dears. Considering acetic acid dissociate in water. Okay, acetic acid we are having, they are dissociating in water. Okay, its dissociation constant is given. Dissociation constant means Ka. Ka value they given 6.25 into 10 raised to minus 5. So you are taking 5 ml of acetic acid is you are taking, that you are dissolving in 1 liter water, and you are making them a solution which is going to freeze at minus x into 10 raised to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, provided pure water freeze at 0 degrees Celsius x. That x value how much? So we know to find out this one, we must have to know delta TF, we must have to find out first. To find out delta TF, the formula is I into KF into WB by MB into 1000 divided by WA. Instead of that, we need concentration. We need I into KF into concentration. Molality or molarity, no problem. Directly we can do it. So once we are doing that one, I into KF into concentration, once we are doing that one, we need I first. To find out I, we need alpha. Dissociation is there. So alpha, find out that one. They given Ka. Whenever they are giving Ka, you must have to relate with alpha. So how we can find out alpha? For that, first of all, we must have to know concentration. What about the concentration? 5 ml acetic acid you are taking. See, 5 ml acetic acid you are taking. 5 ml acetic acid. Okay, acetic acid you are taking. So what about the concentration? Concentration is equal to its density they given. Density they given, density into volume divided by molar mass. Molar mass. Density is equal to how much they given? Density is equal to they given, density of acetic acid is equal to 1.2. So we can write 1.2 into volume, 5 ml you are taking, molar mass is 60. So 1.2 into 5, that is 0.6, so that means this answer will be 0.1. 0.1 molar is the concentration. 0.1 molar is the concentration I got. Now I can find out alpha. Alpha equal to what's the formula? Root Ka by C. What about Ka? 6.25 into 10 raised to 6.25 into, you can see 6.25 into 10 raised to minus 5. So 6.25 into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by 0.1. So that's equal to, I can write, that's equal to 625 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, this is 625 into 10 raised to minus 7. Here 10 raised to minus 1, that is 10 raised to minus 6. That's equal to 25 into 10 raised to minus 3. That is equal to 0.025. Alpha I got. If I know alpha, then I know the idea. CH3COOH will dissociate like CH3COO minus plus H plus. So here n value equal to 2. So alpha equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. So that n equal to 2 means n minus 1 is 1. So I minus 1 equal to 0.025. So I equal to 1.025. If you know I, then you can easily find out what? Delta TF you can easily find out. What about delta TF? I into KF into that concentration, that is molarity or molarity. So I is equal to how much you got? 1.025. KF how much? 1.86. Molarity how much? Molarity is 0.1. Once you are multiplying this one, see, your answer should be in power of 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. So here, once you are multiplying this one, this 1.0825 into 1.86. So that's actually 1.9. 1.9 into 10 raised to minus 1, that is actually 19. 19 will come. So here into 10 to the power minus 2 they are telling. So 19 into 10 to the power, 19 into 10 to the power minus 2. Like that it will come. 19 into 1.9 only, that one 1.9 into 10 raised to minus 1. So that is 19 into 10 raised to minus 2. So your answer is 19. So that means 19 into 10 raised to minus 2, that will be minus 19 into 10 raised to minus 2. That will be the freezing point. That will be the freezing point. From that 19 is the integer type. That's all about the chapter solution. We did 20 very important repeat last year asked PYQ questions. So once we are going through this one, you can understand that colligative property is very important. Colligative property very important. That Raoult's law is important. That related what? That ideal solution, non-ideal solution. This year you can expect azeotropes also. Okay, then concentration related problems. Ready guys? You have to practice more question. We will be there. We are ready to help you to crack the JEE examination. We have to crack this JEE examination in this January itself. Are you ready guys? So we will meet in the next video. Up to that, thank you so much. Tata. Bye bye.